Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will just discuss some book for your CSI UGC NET Chemical Science. So in this video I will tell you that which study material according to the latest syllabus is best for you to revise your previous year paper for CSI NET. So for this you can purchase Arihant, in which you will able to see previous year paper and of course the solution. Okay, and they also provided like coverage of small syllabus, like they will not provided you vast syllabus for you, like they provided you little bit knowledge of your all lectures like inorganic, physical chemistry and organic. So you can buy this book, okay, in which you can see your previous year paper, and also it will be sufficient for you to revise multiple choice question in each chapter you will able to see in this. Okay, so this is the Arianth. You can buy this book from Amazon. I will provide it the link of this book in the description box. Now I will discuss another book. So this book is published by Career Endeavor. Okay, in this book you will be able to see only the paper with solutions, previous year paper with solution. However, the price of this book is quite high, because it's only provided the previous year paper, not the extra like little bit small notes, micro notes for your syllabus. So for this its price may be little bit high, I think, but solution of previous year solution is very good in this book, so you can purchase it by Amazon. I will provide it the link of this book also. Next one is Yes R Gupta. This book I will recommend this book for those students who have only want the previous year paper for their CSI NET, so they can buy R Gupta, and I will provide the link of that, and also so it will provided by like they provided 5 to 6 year back previous year paper, so it will be easy to go through all the type of question that came in your CSI NET. So you can buy this book from Amazon. Price of that book is like 370 around, so you can buy this. So these are the three books you can choose for your CSI UGC NET previous year paper, but one of them is Arianth, which is provided you like little bit knowledge of your all chapter for CSI NET. If you wanted to buy this, okay, I will provide the link of all of them in the description box. You can buy from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching this video.